guys, what's up? This is another Brick by Brick production and another LEGO Lord of the Rings set review. This set comes within the Hobbit series lineup, and that movie releases in December, so go see it. This is a polybag LEGO set, so it comes in this kind of a container, not a box. Set number is 30213, ages are 6 to 12, contains 31 pieces, no title. So this is basically a set just to get the minifig Gandalf, and I'm going to show you him right now. You get good torso printing, a great beard piece, got a staff, gray everything, because he is Gandalf the Grey. Gray hat, gray cape, everything gray. He does have back printing, but the cape's covering up, so I can't show that. No back head printing, just front head. You get a spider and a map that I believe Gandalf is going to use in the movie to find whatever he is going to get. So, good piece. Nice printed tile. So yeah, then we get this little, I don't even know what it is, but it's, yeah. You get a skeleton on it, you get a vine on it, a spear, and a torch. Everything you need. You know, just a little mountain, I guess. And it's actually pretty decent sized. You get some pretty big pieces in the set, so it makes it look bigger. You get the great minifigure, a printed piece, skeleton head. You get a lot of good specialty pieces in this, so it's not a bad set at all. I recommend getting it. It's nice and cheap, around $5. I paid $5 for it, but that's at Toys R Us, so it could be cheaper. And yeah, so great set. Definitely recommend it. And yeah, so thank you for watching. Please check out other LEGO Lord of the Rings videos that I have posted. And yeah, other than that, thanks for watching and goodbye.